So yeah, good evening guys, good evening everyone. And so here we are live again for the New York session, which is going to open within approximately 2 to 3 minutes, I think. Within 4 minutes, New York session is going to open. So yeah, let's wait for New York session to just get open. And maybe after that we will be able to see some good volume entering in the market. Let's see how market plays off. So yeah, let's see. So before that, let me tell you guys about how things are playing off. So here's this Euro USD. So as you guys know from the previous London session, as I came in live and told you guys that in London session there was a breakout on the lower side of the ascending triangle, and after that market trapped all the sellers and went up to take their SLs, and now market is trailing on the upper side of the ascending triangle. So basically what trade you guys can plan for is that you can plan for a trade on upper side. And yeah, let's see how market is working. So it was in a parallel channel before, so now let's remove these lines. These are now of no use for us. Let me also show you. So yeah, we have a clear picture now of the market. How is it playing off? So let's see how it will go now from here onwards. So here, as you guys can see, that market has given a breakout on the above side of the ascending triangle from this very point. Market has given a breakout. So yeah, we are waiting actually for a retracement so that market comes down, and after that we can plan a trade in upward direction and market moves like this. So yeah, let's see how things go. So here in GBP USD, if you see that market, yeah, actually I wanted to tell you something what has happened in GBP USD. So basically what has happened in GBP USD is that in GBP USD market was showing an descending triangle actually, but it trapped all the sellers who ever might have entered thinking that it is a descending triangle and the market will go in the downward direction. Market trapped all the sellers, and now market is going for maybe this point, or maybe this point, because the above point looks more validated than the point that is on the lower side. Because actually if you see in 1 day time frame, there's an ascending triangle that is a very big ascending triangle. And in this ascending triangle, if you guys want to mark it up, you can see that till which very level we are expecting the market to come. We are expecting the market to come till this very till, let me show you, till this very point. Okay, so at this point where market is trailing over here, market is trailing over here, so definitely it will be moving more on upside, maybe show some move on downside and then go on upside. At this very moment we need to just wait and watch how market plays off and how things work. Because this ascending triangle thing has just got over, so maybe market just retraces to this very level. You all guys can plan for a trade in this direction. Okay, so let's see how things work. Because market has given a breakout and it's going in the upward direction, showing that it's bullish and all that. And if you come in New Zealand dollar, NSD USD, as I told you guys yesterday in London session and even yesterday's New York session, so you guys know that market was in a pattern, has formed pattern, and if you draw a fifth retracement from this very point, you guys can see that market has come to 0.786. It is usually said that this 0.786 is also the level for institutions, for the banks to come in play and buy in higher quantity. So it is usually said that if you buy from 0.786, keeping a proper SL, you guys might have a higher chances of getting into profit, because usually banks enter at this very position, or big institutions enter at this very position or at this very point. So the rally or the pickup at this very moment is very fast, so whoever might have entered will make a profit in a minute or in a smaller time frame, basically to say. So yeah, let's see how things work off. And also what I wanted to tell you is that market has formed an pattern over here. It's showing that at this very point there is a very strong rejection, and market has again rejected. And uh, another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that when you draw a line or boundary or anything, then you can see that usually market reacts from that very point at approximately three times. So this was the third time. That first time was at this very point when the market reacted at this very point. This was the second time when market reacted, and this is the third time. And if fourth time the market comes at this very point, then there is a very high chances, there are chances that market might break it on the lower time frame as well. Okay, so yeah, for this very point at this very moment, so market has reacted and it is in bullish frame. If you guys are planning any sort of entry, just wait for a moment, because market has given a breakout, and let it retest. Don't just directly enter seeing that yeah, market has given a breakout. Market is actually giving a retracement. Let market retest to certain level or come down, and then you guys can definitely plan a trade, because at this very moment New York session is also active and London session is also active. You can expect a high volume. Just don't get trapped and wait. Let the market retrace a little bit or come down to this very point. Let wait, and after that you can definitely plan a trade. Yeah, so this is all about this NSG USD. And if you see Euro JPY, in Euro JPY you guys can definitely see that market has been in a parallel channel for a very long time. So approximately how much can this, oh wait, sorry, so approximately how much can this be? Let's see, this is approximately 10 days. Since 10 days market has been in a parallel channel. So yeah, since market is in a parallel channel, you guys can see how things are working off and how they are just going. Actually, don't plan for any trade at this very moment in Euro JPY. If there will be any trade, I will update you before. Okay, then there's GBP JPY, and as I said you that Euro USD and GBP USD and Euro JPY and GBP JPY, these four pairs approximately play in the same manner, and the same is the case with NSD USD and AUD USD. These both are also Asian markets, and they both also New Zealand and Australian. So these both, they approximately operate in Asia session only if you take it as overall thing. So they both also have approximately the same way of performing or giving pumps and bumps. So yeah, then there's your beloved pair USD JPY. And if you see in USD JPY, as I told you earlier, that at this very point, let me just take a brush. At this very point, market came and reacted, and again market came and reacted, and then market is going down to take up the SL of all these fucking buyers who might have entered at this very point. So yeah, at this very moment, market is taking SL of all those guys who have entered at this very point. And so you guys can definitely plan a trade on upside, because they will definitely a little, maybe a smaller rejection, but there will definitely be a move on the upside direction. So yeah, see how things go. So for this at this very moment, there's no such very good trade available over here. And then comes your Euro GBP. And in Euro GBP also, as I told you guys, that in Euro GBP, let me show. Yeah, at this very point also, the market has reacted from this point, and now it took up the SL of all these guys, and now it's moving up, as I told you. So yeah, it's approximately very basic analysis, and I think that if you guys want, you guys can also accept it, that these analysis work. So let's see what else is over there. And market has even given a breakout for all this. Actually it was in a parallel channel. Let me show you this parallel channel again. This is the upper side of the parallel channel, and then this is the lower side of the parallel channel. And market has given a breakout now at this very moment. And if you guys want, you guys can, if you want to enter right now, just wait, let market retrace, because after giving a bump or the pull on the upper side of the market then retrace very much. Let it retrace, let it take that. There was even a W pattern, and what you guys can expect is, since there's a W pattern over here, so just wait, let market take up the SL of all these guys who have entered with this breakout of the, oh sorry, whoever has entered with the breakout of this W pattern, because everybody might have thought that this is the fucking bullish market, we will enter and we will trade and we will win. But market will definitely come down to hunt up all the SLs if possible for the market, because market usually operates in that manner only. And so here is a gold, and gold is definitely very much bullish. And let's see how what's happening in gold. Of Wait, let me just first of all remove this thing for you guys. Oh, don't remove this thing, because actually market was in a parallel channel in 4 hour time frame. In 4 hour time frame, market was in a parallel channel, and in this parallel channel, as there was market, it gave a breakout, and now it's entering again in this parallel channel. And now you guys will be asking me, what is this fib all about? This particular fib is all about the bearish market that happened. So at this very moment, the market is at 0.786, and maybe if market wants to reject from this very moment, as all the buyers are activated and they are on completely in bullish momentum, that the market is completely bullish, then let's see how market will be performing or how it's going on. Because at this very moment, from 0.786, you guys can expect a move till this very point, till the 50 EMA on 15 minutes time frame. You guys can expect a see, in gold, plan for both upper side momentum and as well as on the momentum on the lower side, because whoever might have been holding from this very point, market will definitely come to take up their SLs. And at least SL of the guys who have entered in this pullback, at least in the pullback. Market will come down to take up their SL, and then market can plan how it wants to go. Okay, so this was all about gold. And then if you come for BTC, as I told you guys, BTC is actually at this very moment BTC is trapped in a parallel channel, and as you guys can see, BTC is actually trapped in this parallel channel. This is the channel in which BTC is trapped. Okay, this is the trapping of BTC. Let BTC break this channel or give a breakout little bit, and then you guys can definitely plan a trade, because at this very moment BTC is trapped. Let BTC break out, give a breakout in any of the directions, and then just let's see how things go. So this was all about the market today, and if you guys have any queries or anything that you want to ask to me, please feel free to comment below, and I will be very much happy to answer you. And so yeah, meet you tomorrow before London session with all the analysis and whatever will happen in the market. Let's see